How to create a Facebook account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create a new account on Facebook and start using Facebook, what you can do is, first of all, download the Facebook application. After you do that, over here you can see this page, tap on create new account, and then you can allow Facebook to access your contacts or simply don't allow it. After you do that, enter your first name and your last name over here. After you enter your first and last name, you can enter your date of birth from over here. After you do that, tap on next and then enter your gender. After you do that, you can either enter your phone number or you can sign up with your email. After you enter your phone number or your email, Facebook will ask you to create a password that you can use to access your account. After you enter a password that you can remember easily, you can agree to Facebook's terms and conditions. After you do that, you will successfully be able to create a new account on Facebook. Thank you.